Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Quick and Ona Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau, and today I'll be making spring salad with hibiscus dressing. Put the tea bags in a medium bowl. Pour the water over the bags and allow to steep for 5 minutes. Squeeze the tea bags over the bowl before discarding them. Let the tea concentrate cool. In a blender, combine the cooled tea, shallot, vinegar, honey, salt, and pepper. Process, then slowly add in the oil and blend until emulsified. Refrigerate until ready to use. On a platter or individual serving plates, create a colorful arrangement of mesclun greens, carrots, avocado, and strawberries, and top with a sprinkle of almonds. Add desired amount of hibiscus dressing and enjoy with a sparkling cucumber mint cooler. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.